Everyone thinks the most popular whole house generator is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different, especially when you realize not all of these are even full generators. Today, we're cutting through the noise to show you what actually works. Product number 1, Hadlook 48K Ozone Machine. Let's start with this Hadlook Ozone generator. At just $50, it looks like a steal, but honestly, it's not a generator at all. It's an ozone machine meant for odor removal, not powering your home. What caught my eye was the 48000 mg/h output and 4000 SQ/FT coverage claim. But here's the thing, this doesn't power lights, fridges, or HVAC systems. The specs say it uses corded electric power and weighs under 3 pounds, so it's portable, but again, not for backup electricity. If you want serious air deodorizing after a fire or flood, this is worth a serious look. Now, some people might think this is a real generator because of the whole house marketing. But real buyers quickly realize it won't keep your sump pump running during an outage. The strong ozone smell also requires ventilation for an hour after use, and you can't be in the room while it runs. This is perfect for you if you're dealing with stubborn odors and need chemical-free cleaning. Skip this one if you actually need electricity during a blackout, it won't help at all. At $50, it's cheap for odor control, but don't confuse it with real power. Product number 2, VEVOR50A Generator Cord Kit. Now, if the last item left you confused about actual power solutions, this VEVOR50 amp generator cord and inlet box kit is a real step toward a working setup. Priced at $168, this isn't a generator either, but it's a critical piece of the puzzle. The NEMA 1450P to SS250R twist lock design ensures a secure connection between your portable generator and home inlet box. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Without a proper transfer switch and inlet, you can't safely backfeed power into your home. This kit gives you that safe entry point. The ETL certification means it's tested for outdoor use in rain, snow, and UV exposure. The flip cover on the inlet box has a clear indicator light, so you always know when power is connected. Some users complained about the lack of a built-in transfer switch. You'll need to buy that separately. Here's the thing though, that's actually standard practice. Most kits don't include it for safety and code reasons. This is perfect for you if you already have a large portable generator and want to power essential circuits safely. Skip this one if you're looking for a complete plug-and-play solution. You'll still need professional installation. At this price, it's solid value for a reliable connection. Product number 3, HZXVOGN50A RV Cord Kit. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be better for tighter budgets. The HZXVOGN50 amp generator cord kit comes in at just $89, almost half the price of the VEVOR. Like the VEVOR, it uses a NEMA 1450P to SS250R twist lock design and includes a pre-drilled inlet box with a green indicator light. The shorter cord is actually a plus if you don't need 25 feet, less clutter and easier storage. It's also UL and ETL listed, so it meets safety standards for outdoor use. Now some people complained about the shorter length limiting generator placement. Here's the thing though, 15 feet is plenty if your generator is near an exterior wall. Just make sure you plan your setup. This is perfect for you if you want a safe, code-compliant inlet connection without overspending. Skip this one if you need to place your generator far from the house, go for the longer VEVOR instead. At under $90, it's excellent value for basic home backup prep. Product number 4, Mammoth Ion and Ozone Generator. Now, if odor control is your main concern, this Mammoth Ion and Ozone Generator takes a more refined approach. At $165, it's pricier than the Hadlook, but it looks like a piece of furniture with its cherry wood design. It produces 3000 mg/h of ozone and negative ions, covering up to 3500 SQ/FT. Unlike cheaper models, it blends into living spaces without looking like industrial equipment. Here's why this matters. If you're dealing with smoke damage or pet odors in a finished basement or bedroom, you want something effective but also presentable. The ionization feature helps pull dust and allergens out of the air, improving overall air quality. Some users reported the ozone smell lingered too long even after ventilation. Here's the thing though, that's a sign it's working. Just follow the instructions, use in unoccupied spaces and ventilate thoroughly. This is perfect for you if you want powerful odor elimination with a design that doesn't scream machine. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or only need occasional use. At this price, it's a premium solution for serious air cleaning. Product number 5, Outage Energy 2500W Inverter Generator. Finally, we get to an actual generator. The Outage Energy 2500-watt inverter generator is the only real power source on this list. At $431, it's not cheap, but it delivers 1,900 running watts and 2,500 peak watts, enough for essentials like a fridge, lights, and a small well pump. It runs up to 10 hours on a 1.32-gallon tank at quarter load, and the 53 decibel noise level is quiet enough for residential areas. The inverter tech keeps THD under 1.5%, so it's safe for phones, laptops, and TVs. The intelligent gauge tracks fuel, runtime, and voltage, and it's EPA compliant with a 2-year warranty. Some buyers were frustrated that the parallel kit isn't included. You'll need to buy it separately to double the power. Here's the thing though, that's common with inverter generators. It keeps the base price lower. This is perfect for you if you need reliable, clean power for short outages or camping. Skip this one if you need to run your entire house. It's not a whole house solution on its own. At this price, it's a solid entry into real backup power. So here's the truth, only one of these is an actual generator. The Hadlook and Mammoth are for odor control, the VEVOR and HZXVOGN are connection kits, and only the Outage Energy delivers real electricity. If you need full home backup, none of these alone will do it, but the Outage is a great start. Choose based on your real need, power, connection, or purification.